Yes, people, you don't know media facts now. Come for talk facts. No trash around here, you see me? Yeah, man, people, they don't know. Yes, I'll come for talk about it. SHENSEEA thing and, we wonder what going on. Because I see she forward out and make a statement. You see me? If you look on the video, so what I talk about. See?
If you want any bookings or inquiries, make sure you just email bookings@shenseeamusic.com. If I even for an interview, a deal, a show, anything.
If you want to come up with a deal with her or whatsoever.
Shenseea.com.
Is what I try to say so?
That's when you booking in.
The situation, say, I think about last year, when she forward back in a dancehall space and thing, people are say, yo, she done with dancehall and whatsoever, and people never like that. You don't know the Jamaicans never like that and thing, and well, she forward back, she get a nice little song, It and Run, you see me? Yeah, featuring Massacre and whatsoever, you see me? So now this situation, when I know what ROMEISH do right now, you see me? He missing out of the scene but I can see sometimes ShenseeA not really comfortable, you see me? Cause remember one time she and ROMEISH in the vehicle, see? And like she said to ROMEISH say, her song them can't, she not hear her song them. Yeah, man, so it's like she said to ROMEISH say, yo, she not hear her song them and thing. You understand? So ROMEISH say, yo, yeah, man, your song I play, man, and you know what happened? It look like, a couple people start singing when them play the song in them background or so. You see me? But ShenseeA been signed to a label. She get her big shows and she get her feature them and every little thing, but I feel she just did it and she feel like she should have, be more that bigger artist on the scene, is what I try to say. But the thing is that she did kinda drop off her roots of the music, you see me? Cause when ShenseeA just found out, like, she have Sheng Anthem and all of them little things there, you see me? Yeah, man, it was quality music, man. Lighter and all of them little things there, so people know her for that. But, when she go over into the American scene now and thing and the rap world thing and she start do the feature and every little thing, it never really did I get, cause we as Jamaican, the world know we as Jamaican and know say dancehall thing, but she did start tapping into the local rap scene and every little thing, you see me, which, that now go really grab the Jamaicans and certain people who are used to her, the roots way. You understand? Because the label thing right now, most of the artists them we sign, some of them are just turn independent, you see me, Spice, Tweet, Tory Lanez, no flick artists all overseas, cause the label them now do the right thing, you see me, and as an artist, you have to make sure so you have that fan equity there. So I try to say fan will go out there buy your music and every little thing. You see me, if you not have them fans there, I say your problem there. You see me? Yeah, man, I say your problem there. So you have to have fans, like fan equity. Once you have fans, you think good. You see me? I get the support and every little thing. But she have her fans and thing. But sometimes I just feel like, the road where she go, she not fully comfortable. You see me? Yeah, she not really fully comfortable. Cause one time she do an interview with Jeffrey and she say, yo, Jamaican, give her some time and nobody beat her or whatsoever. So I try to say so. Feel like when she overseas, she do a lot of work, but the work now show the progress, you see me? The work now show the effort and every little thing. So I feel like she just, pick and choose there and every little thing and I do her thing, you see me? So, but ShenseeA is a good artist still, yeah, man, good quality artist, man. You see me? As a young, we can say she had do the damage as a female artist right now, you see me? Otherwise some Spice, you see me? You have Jada Kingdom, but she a dominate, more right now. She a do shows, big shows and all of them little things there, you see me? Yeah, the label prepare her up and, she get nominated for the Grammy other day, but she never win on fair side, but she win a Grammy on the Marley's album, you see me? Yeah. I think she sing over one of Bob's song them and things, so yeah, man, she a gone with her thing and, cause the female industry in a dancehall, it kind of picky. Like when you would have the male dancehall, them would dominate and, it would be a nice percentage and thing, but the female thing, yeah, you can count on one hand. You see me? How much female dancehall artists really are dominate. You see me? Cause you have Chanel Muir, I don't really know what she did. You see me? You have Pampute, you have Spice, you have SHENSEEA, you have Jada Kingdom is what I try to say. And you have other more artists, you see me, but you know, the effect there and that thing, they not really go on, you see me? Because you know, the female artists, they sometimes them use like a controversy thing for kind of push them music, and you know, after that done, the music just dribble down, is what I try to say. So all of that to say, you see me, you know, I don't know if I want to go on with she and the label or whatever, you see me, because I wonder if them drop her or based on where she come out and say, you see me, and when I too see she and Romeish like that still, although the video and everything, I think she and Romeish good still, you see me. You know, cause looking into them, go down with Romeish, she kind of stay off of the media, you see me. So she do her little thing, but you know, I can see say yo, she had try, and you see me, she want to reach to a level, but it's like she feel like she not reach her yet, and she want to reach there. You understand? Cause when the little song forward out, you know, the hit and run is like she say yo, what go on, the song now play, what really go on. When she go Uptown Mondays, no, on Uptown Monday, she go Boom Sundays, zine, and after that. So yes, people, you don't know with SHENSEEA thing, you know, but she's a trying female artist and thing, you know. She do her little thing, you know. She do her shows and every little thing. So in this situation, you see, everybody wants to sign, and you see me, but when you sign, you have to have the fans. And remember, say, yeah, we as Jamaican, we can't really support music to the fullest because certain little things we not have, you know, and everybody have a credit card, and everybody have certain little asset where could have lead up to that. You understand? So, you know, them always say Jamaican support music, but you have to look on the advantage and the disadvantage of the situation where why we can't support music. You understand? When it comes to album, and everybody know about the internet or how for go buy the album. You understand? Or when it comes to card information and access to credit card. I remember say some of them software are programming, you know, some of them are credit card they have to use and them look at things there. So when you see support in there for Jamaicans and things, remember we're a third world country and everybody have it. You understand? So when it comes to music, that kind of difficult. It's not like over US people just stop and go, or them have most of the certain little things. That's what I try to say. We could have deal with that. And most of the app them and certain little things, you see me? Most of that are overseas radar thing. Like some of them things you have to live in the US to get access to it, or can do certain things on the app. You understand? So in that situation there, you have to just know say you was Jamaican and everybody can do it. You see me? And how much percentage of people can really afford to do certain things or have certain access. You understand? Yeah, man, but I don't know what I'm going with SHENSEEA still, but and the thing is that, you know, and she alone sign, you have Skilly and whatever, you see me? So, you know, after a while when the label start pushing, you know, you understand, and try to push it to a different audience or whatever, it's like sometimes the support with the core fans them it kinda lacking. You understand? And we see what going on, you know. She did kind of neglect the Jamaicans, and Jamaicans them retaliate and say, yo, what go on. And remember when she go Uptown, I think she go Boom Sundays, and when she sing the hit and run, it at first it never really kind of get now, but it's like no reaction like that. You understand? Because the people must say, yo, what she did say or whatsoever, you see me? But she's a good artist, same way. She have good vocals and every little thing, you see me? But it kind of lacking with the female artists them too, you know, people. I don't know what go on, like, I don't know, the female artists them very kind of low in the dancehall space. Like you can barely call out who really dominate. You understand? And I do them thing. You see me? But I don't know, I saw the things still, you see me? One of them thing, but we have to sort out certain little thing. We have to kind of, you know, clean up the music a bit. You see, because Grammy thing right now, bad people them control the Grammy thing, so we don't know how that go. You see me? And our music right now, look at dancehall space. You see me? The thing, I don't know what going right now. It kind of cruise. You understand? It not really move to where we are uplift like that. You see me? You don't know Shaggy and Sean Paul do them things same way from way back then. You see me? Yeah, them do them thing. You see it? And SHENSEEA now, as a female artist, you know, she do her thing. Like when I say international right now, she do it. Yeah, Spice a good artist, yes, Spice that do it, but everything kind of slow down with her, you know, you see me? Yeah, man, everything kind of slow down with her. You see me? So she says she do her thing and if you link her, yeah, so email and I don't know what go on. You see me? Just hope say I done the label drop her or everything, cause you know why it wouldn't look good, but you know, should I be independent? But as an independent artist, you can't really compare to an artist with sign because the label kind of control certain pulls and certain strings. You see me? What them would I do? Them I go all out because them I do it for money. You understand? So when you see them look at thing them over and you see the artists them must sign a dominate out there, pull strings to them. You see me? So the independent artists them, it all kind of now move too fast with them because when you check it, them I do things mostly by for themselves, by for them own label. You understand? And them have to put in more effort because you know the label work with a group or system. You see me? So instead of independent artists, them a do them thing and them a get acknowledgement and so it great. You understand? Because you as an artist I do it. You see me? And the artists them we keep them own a show and every little thing that good because once you're independent artist and you have the fans there, trust me, you're getting a great support. You see me? Great support. Because some of the time you see them artists are with views and every little thing. Some of them are buy views. You see me? Buy views them because that not really do anything that ain't really authentic. Because when them go to stage show them, the crowd reaction not dead. You see me? Crowd reaction not dead for them. So them perform on the stage, body can't sing them song. You see me? Couple people not turn up. All of them little thing there. You see me? So all of that to say, you have to just focus on the fan base. Yeah man, focus on the fan base. You see me? Once you have the fans, you have everything. You understand? You have everything with the fans them man. You can't lose. The views, they don't make that trick you. You understand? Don't make that trick you. That have something to make you look good temporarily, but the fans are going to look good permanently. You see me? Because if you can keep 10 show, 5 show for the year with year one show and you get it sold out, that nice for you. Because so you're going to make the big money. As an artist, you're a performer, that's how you see your money really. The more bookings you get and all of them little thing there. It's the worst, especially when you keep your own show. You see me? So, all of that to say, right now, with the label thing, the label thing, social media right now, because right now, the label have to use influential people like for help them, to get them artists with them sign, views and, fans and every little thing because them they have the power. You see, with social media have the power, I don't know. Them they have the power back then when there is no social media. Them was the social media. So them go out there, link up the radio station, them do this, do that for the artists and every little thing. Promoted TV station, every little thing. But now, social media now, more powerful is like everything are digital. So it's like them are go to Yasa and go to Yasa. You see me when that our cars. Okay, cars are living up now. So it better them go digital way. It easier for them link a influencer. You see me, especially an example like a Union Kaisenat, It easier for them because them can just pay this a person and them get a couple views well or whatsoever and them good. But then them have to go out in the street, pull this a string and everything. You see me, but social media gets so powerful right now. You see me, when I eat them have to fall back on that. You see me? So the power cut kinda different right now. You see me? Because look at little Kendrick thing. You see me? Or the social media meme and every little thing, Look how Drake did dominate with it, but it's like after Kendrick thing, the people them kinda say, yo, Kendrick did him away, but it show you the power of social media and reaction and song and you see me and see them and say, yo, Kendrick, kinda get more views than MJ. But when we say MJ back then did different, no TV and certain little thing with social media and thing, you see me? So that did kinda different, you see me? Can't take the greatness from MJ. But yeah man, the label thing right now, them have to recoup now, them have to try use different ways now how to see if them can get them artists on a higher success and you see me. But you have some artists who have left the label. You see me, because them dead and nothing really are going. You see me? As an independent artist, once you can build your fans, it's a great look because you need fans to come on your shows, every little thing. But your views them now go come on your shows and if you get 1 billion views and our bots, some of them the people now go come. You understand? Only the who I think you view it and everything, them people maybe come. You understand? So the bag of views and all of them thing there, it'll get played out after a while because you remember back in the days when you have like at least like 4 megabytes. 4 megabytes it come like one big what do you call it? One big sound box, that's how it's 4 megabytes, You understand? And if you realize now, when we have memory card and everything, it's like thing gets shriveled down, like when you check it, like 100 odd gig. Come like nothing right now. You understand? So imagine the label them where I do them thing, seeing, and everything right now I shibble down for them. You understand? Same with the artists them. You understand? Because them nah collect the fans and every little thing. You see me? So it's like the views them like wagwan. Oh, you have this views but the fans them can't do anything. You see me? The fans them nah give no crowd reaction. You see me? So the artists them say, yo, wagwan. How really wagwan, yes, sir? You understand? So it's like the artists them are put in so many work with the label, but them nah reach the success where them want to reach. You understand? Yeah. Because 100 million of views are bots. Come like nothing. You understand? Soon after this, views are coming like nothing. You understand? Because remember, you have social media, you have this. Remember, people can put out any information in the social media and people just start run with it without thinking. You understand? Like somebody can say, yo, watch it, 100 million views, that. But when you see them pop up at the show and start performing everything, the 100 million people are there. You see me? And not even quarter of the people there, 3/4 of the people are there. You understand? So some of the time when you hear, yo, this artist have much views and Ray and Tay, when you look, them can't sell a good album. You see what I try to say? Can't sell a good album. So some of the time when you hear people talk and hype up people and whatsoever, but when you check it, them can't. Some of them on Instagram, them have millions of followers. But when you check it, them can't even sell million copy of them album. You understand? It show you. Say the views and the followers come like nothing. You see me? Come like nothing. You have artists who have millions of followers, like them can't even sell nothing. You understand? I always wonder. It shows you right now with the social media thing. People maybe prefer watch your life or watch what you do or watch for forward with something controversial or drama than for just they fully fake or support your music the real way. You understand? Because imagine you have all your Instagram thing or whatever, people are follow you upon, and you have all 10 million people. Imagine them 10 million people that support your album, buy out your album and everything, go stream your song, you get a gold and platinum. That would have been great. But it shows say, yo, and that's how it work. You see me? And everybody follow you, go support you. Sometimes people just follow you for your feel or for you do something for them, can scream record or something, you see me? Run with it or whatsoever. But you don't know just life that. You see me? But SHENSEEA, she do her thing. You see me? I feel like she doesn't need to sit down and meditate, sir. How she want to do the music and every little thing. You see me? Because the music thing right now, it kind of outplay with certain things based on, the social media power and all of them little things. It's like, people rather see something and see some drama upon the media rather than listen music right now. You see me? Social media gets so powerful, it's just some of the time only way the music get tuned in is if them see a little drama or a little dancing with the music. You see me? Because right now music needs something for kind of swing it. You see me? Like an example as TJ Drift. See? If Drift they just forward us as a song and thing without the dance routine, it wouldn't get that impactful thing there, It wouldn't get that impactful scene there where the whole world dance to it or whatever. Like if a song did just drop without the routine there, it wouldn't get that impactful scene there than the way where it get. You understand? Yeah. So remember say one time in the dance all the rebel them I use promote the song, I dance to it and every little thing for kind of bust the song for you get views and the little TikTok thing and way. After a while things kind of got us. Cause once things get common in it now no effect again. You understand? Once it get common out it not have no effect again. You see me? Yeah. I remember say dancehall is a thing where dancehall is a rocking thing at dance. Cause I remember in a dancehall mean you have a room and people just dance or whatsoever. Is what I try to say. So certain little situation, I just, you see me, a music and, you see me, music have its influence on certain little things, is what I try to say. So, SHENSEEA, just just go and keep on doing things, stick to the roots. Like if you go do other things, kind of put that a percentage, you can mix it. Seem like how Sean Paul do it, you see me, him still have the dancehall flow in it, although sometimes him drop in a little R&B thing, you see me, just go and do that. But if you go fully effect rap and no, that not gonna work, you see me. Nah, go. Me see them do that try to do that with Skilly Bang, but it not work because if the label job Skilly Bang right now, it's like him not really have nothing with for himself. Like him not really have nothing for himself. You understand? Mean yeah, him have the features them and every little thing, but if you have to check it, Skilly Bang right now, him did that dominate overseas and thing and with the wap and but there's no really him not have a full like catalog if you say yo. Right, cause the WAP them push the WAP and the one with him and Tyler, you understand? But that and a really theme song that a Tyler song and thing. So it's like when really have him say, I'm drop an album which is about 40 odd song. And when I don't think I know the sales the first week or whatever. Like when I ain't nobody to talk about the album or whatever. You see me? And the song them with the pan it, you have to wonder if a dancer skill is that though. You understand? Because we don't know. What go on, like as an artist up there, when him come locally or whatever, you know effect not really did it. You understand? Not really did it. You see me? Because it's like I saw the label work. Label just use you and then because when you work with features and certain things you don't have nothing for yourself. Kinda sticky. You see me? Kinda sticky because Skillibeng not have that strong fan base. You see me? But I one of them things, you see me, and I hope everybody, the artists them, just go and do nothing but trying to tune up on the music and every little thing, you see me. And SHENSEEA, you have some good song out there, you see me, but some of the time you have to watch it, you kinda deal with one theme, one message with based on the man thing. When you say hit and run, then you say something about police, man, I watch it like police where they, and then you say two guy at the same time. You have to, that message there, you have to switch up some of the time. You understand that thing there, it not gonna work forever because people are gonna say, yo, I always have to do it man or whatever. You see me? Sometimes do something, some different thing, you see me? So all of that, you just go on the way. But you're great, you're a good artist same way and just go on do your thing, you know, as a female artist. Yeah man, you don't know. Big up yourself, you see me? But people don't know in media facts, you know. You see me, just go and support, like, share and subscribe. You see what I try to say? Yeah man. I hate this, you know. That is it.